Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
We're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, fam? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to New York session. Welcome to New York session. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but here we are. We tried to stream all week and we didn't get none of that. Anyways, welcome. Let's get started here because we're already running a little late. I kind of wanted to start it a little bit later because there was news coming out for GBP at 6 a.m. So wanted for all that to hit, which actually just did 10 minutes ago. So now that that's good, we should be good to go. Looks like we had this nice little impulse move, rejection candle, no wick to the downside, move for that. I think it's still bearish, might be moving to the downside, but let's go ahead and do fresh analysis. We're going to go ahead and clean the charts off, clear charts, delete everything, no indicators, straight price action. Top down analysis, we're going to start with the monthly. What we're looking at here currently, the current month, we have a bearish candle. Previous candle was bullish, no wick to the upside. It is currently moving to the downside. It already has a wick to the upside. Looks like it tested this previous high here, moving to the downside. It could be coming down to test the level of support, or at the very least have a nice little pullback, right? So let's move down to the weekly. Last week's candle, what we have here is to me it looks like a bearish doji, right? So we have potential price reversal here, price exhaustion. So the current candle right now is bearish. It'll be interesting to see if this candle actually closes bearish. If it doesn't, maybe we're at the tipping point of we're going to start to move to the downside, right? Because if you look at the trend here, we've been bullish, even from this angle, right? So I think that if we start seeing that confirmation to the downside, then we can start testing new lows, breaking new lows, testing support. Move down to the daily. So yesterday's candle was bearish. Daily candle closed bearish, broke the lows of the previous day. Current candle has already broken the lows, right? Has a small wick to the upside. It is bearish. It's moving to the downside. We see this little level of support here, right? Could be an area where it comes and bounces off of that. If it doesn't, then we're potentially going to be creating a new low, right? So here's the previous high. If we create a new low, then we can say that this pattern, right, start moving to the downside, right? Okay, let's go ahead and move down to the 4 hour. In the 4 hours, where we like to establish our zones, I like to call them zones, tops and bottoms. Some people refer to them as supply and demand, support and resistance, key levels, areas of interest, whatever you want to call them, whatever floats your boat. At the end of the day, it's areas directly above and below current price where you see multiple price reaction. And since we're kind of at these highs here where we really don't have those highs, so going back to it was back in 2016, yeah. I don't have many price points to go off of, but I can see that we have a couple of tops there, that'll work for it, right? So go ahead and establish the bottom one. get that right there. Move down to the 1 hour just to refine it a bit. And really, this is just to define like what I like to call our play area, where I feel like price could move in between. Once we have that established and refined on the 1 hour, go ahead and move down to the 15 minute. The 15 minute is where I'm going to go ahead and establish breakout zone, breakout range, I should say, where I feel we have the most potential here by measuring into the left range, at least about a 20 pip. Remember, the whole point here is not a big trade, not swinging this, not intraday. It's just try to capture 15-20 pips from the market, thank the market, and come back again tomorrow. And there, one of those, definitely. Definitely worth a shot. Definitely worth a shot. Identify a couple targets there. 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 Okay. This is what GJ is looking like. Unless we get some other kind of, I mean, if this creates resistance here, then we have a nice opportunity to fill this. We'll see how that closes. But for the meantime, what the setup looks. APY 15 minute. And if you're looking for any of my links, that is where all right, let me go ahead. So there's the GJ chart. I'm gonna go ahead and send it out to the free Telegram. What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Elite. Good morning, Casual TD. CJ, what's good? A little different doing New York sessions, huh? All right, so there's GJ. Let's go ahead and move on to gold. Those are the two pairs we're going to be looking at today. See if we get a setup. Go ahead, delete everything out the chart. Look at the monthly top-down analysis. I mean, we're hella bullish. Pushing. Previous week candle bullish. Daily, how did we close? Bearish doji. Wick to the top. Bottom did not break the lows. Already matched the previous low here. Yesterday's low. All the way to the top, and it's bullish. Really, I mean, we see this here. Level resistance. I think if we can break through that, we'll fill this wick, possibly test this high. 4 hour. But establish our zones here. It's gonna be a little tricky too because couple of And really what I'm looking for in the zones is like, where's the flattest area? Where do I see it? Consolidating in me, and I'm focused on not the area of the consolidation and the ranging, but tops and bottoms. See how here it's flat. So golden. All right, so let's move down to 15-minute. See what we see. See what we see. And she's pushing B. Up. Here is gold as of now. So go ahead. Start. All right. Send this chart out. Sending the chart out to the free Telegram. Telegram link is in the link on the screen. All right. What happened? Yeah, not meant to do that. What'd you do? What'd you do, CJ? What'd you do? All right, so now we're just patient and we wait. I think that's one of the most difficult part for most people, is that you have to be patient and wait. Most people want to just see something and automatically jump into something. But you understand, the more structured your trading is, where you're setting something up and waiting for something to play out, the higher probability is that you're going to win, right? Because anyone can hit the button buy or sell. But for it to play into what you're looking for, oh man, look at that. Pumping. Gold is pumping. In. Got about 7 minutes. Time the guy out. What? Why would you do that? Did he do something? Oh, you pissed CJ off. Oh man, I'm super fucking sore. Oh jeez. Yeah, so we're gonna be I'm gonna be on here till about 8:15 at the latest, and then I'm gonna jump on with VIP for US 30. see, what other news do we have? We have news. Oh, we have change in the price of goods and services. Employment claims. So we got some heavy USD news at 7:30. About an hour, 6 minutes. First New York session of the week. Yeah. Well, yesterday the news, like, I didn't want to trade. I didn't want to trade before the news. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do a live because it would be pointless. We would be waiting. And then Tuesday. And Tuesday my allergies were killing me, but shit, we've been killing it with VIP and trading US 30. Yeah, I'm gonna be switching more to New York session because my schedule is much, like, I want to be trading more for myself US 30, like, during New York session, and being up for both and like, taking naps, and I mean, like, my whole schedule is fucked. So I just need to get adjusted to the New York session because I used to stay up for London. So like now when I'm like sleep, I'm at 3 a.m. Yeah. Nah, it's just got about 3 minutes left. So if this candle closes like this, then I'm gonna move this breakout line to, because we have up to the, we can. Tapped it down. Honestly, like this is already a pretty nice move. Like I'm pretty sure we're gonna need some kind of pullback, and even if we don't, like whatever this break is, that 1-to-1 is like, that's probably gonna hit first and then pull back. Because this is already, I mean, this has been moving up. London, dip down, shot up. Maybe we start seeing before. I mean, if we were 30, Breakout right there. Stops there. I think we're still good. 30s, 7:30 in New York. About 30 minutes. Session opens. Good. Close. This. So now that I'm banned on TikTok, I don't know if I should create another TikTok or not. Feel like, I don't know, too much effort. What do you guys think? Just looking at Golden GJ here, guys. Just looking at Golden GJ. Gold looks like it might be breaking out here, but here, a break. Remember we patience. Yeah, I don't know, man. Thing said for illegal activities, gambling, but well, it was like one video. Whenever I got off the live, I got a notification that I had a violation for like an old video, and then like as I was reading what they were saying, they were saying, oh, if I get another violation, or if I'm at risk of having my hand. And while I was like reading that, it just banned me. like it was going through. I saw it like gave another violation to another video and then another video, like 3-4 videos at the same like time, like within 5 minutes. So I guess like I don't know, they were reviewing old videos. I don't know. Loving the New York session, trading London in the Gremlin, right? 10 minutes. So if we get this break of this range right, close above, as long as it doesn't go is in here's be worth it, but just let price kind of do its thing. We still got about 9 minutes. Gold, it is breaking out to the upside, but there's no wick, which makes sense because oh. Yeah, I like New York session a lot better just because of US 30. Like, I don't really trade the breakout strategy during New York. I just do the US 30 one because I'm not doing London sessions. I figured I'd do this first for New York Open and NYSE Open for the US. US 30 is just, was it 7 minutes yesterday? Quick and fast and hurry. Thumbs up. No, I don't connect. No, I execute on MetaTrader. I have on my desktop. I mean, you guys can see the. And you know what's crazy, man? And I think like I don't want to jinx it, but you know how I was having all those lagging issues on YouTube stream? Like I think that comes like during London session is like the worst. Cause like right now I haven't had any issues. On my end it doesn't show. Cause like it'll show me a percentage of like drop frames. It's 0%. Wow. Maybe they fixed it the other day. There was like there was a huge storm and there was like trees that knocked over, like there was no power for days. Man, my allergies are starting to act up. We got about 5.5 minutes left on. America's mad with these storms, right? MG4 for the win, yeah. Good afternoon, LB. 12:30 here in the UK. Respect for live trading. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, I figured like most people that follow me in the UK can still get on because it's what is it like midday for you guys, right? Yeah, 12:30 in the afternoon, not 12:30 midnight. Oh dang, look, she's down 4.5. Ooh, midnight in Australia. Yeah, man. I don't think I'll be able to get it to a point where I can like. It doesn't matter. Like either I'm doing it middle of the night or you guys are up in the middle of the night. Like somebody's, it's time zones are. I don't think there's one time zone that'll be a good time for it. It's just straight in the. 2.5 minutes. 2.5. Ooh. Volume's coming. But if she breaks this, I can't. Too much. 6 is out of our 1-to-1 risk to reward. It needs to be the next candle. You guys see what I mean? Because this candle has a heat to the upside. I mean, it's a big candle. Got a minute and 10 seconds. Seconds. Hopefully this doesn't break. seconds. Pumping down, huh? Close right on the line. Jesus. I'm not taking this because there's no wick, first of all. And I'm not taking this because ops would be way too big. And that sucks. Gotta follow the rules, guys. We're probably gonna wait on them. Get that. Damn, look at that. But nice. We couldn't have done that because the risk reward would close right on the line. We'll see a pull. Bro, she is melting. Again, if we can get some kind of sign of no, I'm looking at DJ and gold. I'll be looking at US 30. Meld. That's not enough for me. Oh, this. Create a new.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, hello. Thanks for the sub. Oof. Maybe this 15 minute is gonna be a. But be patient. Wait and see. Oh, yesterday, yeah. Well, shit, yesterday we had US 30. She was awesome. And then I called out Naz. And we won on that one. And then it came back up. And I tried to take one more. And she said, hell no. I was like, alright, I'm done. I know when the market says quit. I still had a hell of a day though. It was beautiful. just because there's no wick to the upside. This is creating the bottom wick here. I'm gonna take a buy on GJ with the 15 pip stop. Buy on GJ 15. Buy on GJ 15. I'm buying GJ 15 pip stop. That's one thing I've noticed about GJ lately is been hella weird lately. Like she doesn't move traditionally like how she used to. So we got this support here, push, bullish, engulfing. We got this no wick to the top side, came back, pull back, move, tested this level of support, rejected it, massive side candle, patient. No, honestly, for me, the taxes, like since I do it under a corporation, it just works a little differently, but at the end of the day is you got short-term capital gains basically in the US. I don't know where you guys are, in what state to incorporate taxes. No state tax, baby. Oh, baby, TP1. 1. Remember, guys, what do we do at TP1? We do at TP1, guys. Do at TP1. Go pips and profit back. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. All my friends are watching. Come on, baby. We want to hear the horns. Give it a little push. Give it a little push. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me a little push. Give me a little push. Give me a little push. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take my partials, guys. TP1 hit. Let's go. Horns one time for the winners. Horns one time for the winners. One time for the people in the back. Let's go. Let's go. That's a W. That's a W. All right. Stops to break even, guys. Take your partials. I took my partials. I know you guys seen that on the does this thing, right? Nice trade. It wasn't the breakout, guys, but you know, I wanted to come in and get something for you guys. I needed to make myself too, and I think we accomplished that, right? So specifically this one right here, just because we saw the impulse move to the downside, how I was talking about, you know, we're probably gonna get to that first level down here, right, before we see that push back up. And seeing this confirmation candle on the 5-minute bullish engulfing gave me that confidence, but recognizing this candle with no wick to the downside, a pullback, I knew there was going to be a correction following that. So once I saw that pullback coming in, I went ahead and entered here. We saw the rejection off of this level of support up, hit our TP1. We ain't had a breakout win or even a trade for a fat while. Well, I mean, shit, we've been winning VIP. What you talking about, bro? Like you mean like just on the stream in general, like streaming with everybody? Like that. We got about 26 minute news comes. I'm at break even, guys. I mean, it's close to breaking me out or closing me out at break even. You guys can see it on the screen. If it closes me out, I'm fine. Like I already took my partials. This isn't about getting a big move, guys. It's just about coming in the market, taking 15-20 pips, thinking it and being all right with that. You know, if you have a small account and you can take partials, you should take the whole thing. TP1, right? So hopefully you guys are able to. I just got closed out at break even. Done with that. Done with that. All right. So hopefully you guys were able to make some profits off of that one. Look, it's bouncing right back up. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off because I'm gonna get ready for the NYSC stream with VIP. If you're not in VIP, I think there's still a couple of spots left on the lifetime promo that I sent out. Link is in Telegram. I think there's like 4 spots left. But other than that, guys, I'll be on in about an hour and 10 minutes for US 30 NYSC. We do our US 30 scalp. Hopefully you guys were able to secure some profits on that. I know it was a quick trade, but I said it like 10 times what I was doing. All right. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one. Tomorrow I won't be live. It's Friday. So I won't be live till next week, Tuesday. And I'll be doing the New York stream for next week. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what my calendar has. Either way, I'll send out my schedule on Sunday to let you guys know. Other than that, I'll see you guys, the ones that are in VIP, in about an hour and 10 minutes. All right, much love, much love. Thanks, guys. Peace.
Another live trading session in the books. executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.